Noron diak maluksira hamutuk fel hohau Erciana Fernandes Belo e Recambia News. Banco Mundial descobre gasto governo NBAs belefou impacto ba nação e estabilidade. Iha loron sanulura sing rua fulan fevereiro tinang rehong rua rua nulura sing lima Banco Mundial halau briefing media jornalista Timor-Leste ia salah encontro Banco Mundial Lesidere Dili onde apresenta relatorio economia Timor-Leste tinang rehong rua rua nulura sing hat. Durante ne Banco Mundial produz relatorio economia Timor-Leste tinang ida dela rua nebe mono e fulan janeiro, julho ou agosto. Baseia dados analisa Rusi Banco Mundial gasto as Rusi governo no 10% da Rusi produto interno bruto KPIB e Timor-Leste no retorno modesto do investimento Rusi fundo petrolífero dele foi impacto da nação de estabilidade fiscal temporário. Tui relatório econômico foi Banco Mundial, Timor-Leste transforma gasto crescimento as identifica que despesa pública ao nível médio percentual no Lurasin Lima, Rusi PIB, entre tinang rihong rua sa Lurasin Tolo no tinang rihong rua no Lurasin Tolo. Médio crescimento PIB na fatinha porcento ida ponto tolo e tinan-tinan. Baseia dados porcento hat no Lurasin rua, Rusi população moris e a linha pobreza nacional Nhocos. Banhira jornalista recambia a confirmação com a gasto macas e a despesa público, representante Banco Mundial, senhora Amina Coulibaly, no dar economista senior Banco Mundial Timor-Leste Hatetan, e a relatório Banco Mundial propõe buat tolo nebe importante ba governo atual. Primeiro, a questão da receita não petrolífero, segundo, uma iniciativa bem postonian, terceiro, Timor-Leste tem que halo avaliação ba proposta vencimento salário no com a gestão investimento público.
Talking about how the country can spend better or spend less, what we mention in the report is really three ways. The first is really expanding the tax revenue outside oil. Currently, the tax to GDP ratio is 12% for Timor-Leste, and about 80% is coming from the petroleum fund to support expenditure, and this is not sustainable. And as you see in the latest BCTL report on petroleum fund, the fund is about 18 billion. So if you made the calculation with 2 billion of budget per year, you see that this cannot be sustained. So one is increasing domestic revenue. And we know that the government is thinking and working on a VAT policy. Timor-Leste is one of the countries that didn't have VAT. So we know that government is thinking about introducing VAT. So this is something that the government should continue working. Introducing a VAT policy will help the country to have more revenue. But one thing that we also advise is to make some analysis to know what are the vulnerable poor people that will be affected and try to protect them by some measure or action. The second point that we have in the report is for the country to look at tax incentive and to prepare a tax incentive report to know if those tax incentives achieve the outcome and objective for which they were in place. If not, the government can start streamlining it and remove them. That will also give some room and some revenue to the government. The second is that as we are talking about 85% of GDP in average for expenditure, the country should start spending less. Spending less, the first thing is to spend efficiently. Look at all the line of expenditure to see where the country is losing for money or where there is some waste, and start removing those waste and also spending better. For example, in wage bill, what we advise is looking to do a kind of wage bill assessment to see if this is really correspond to people that are working. If not, the country can remove the ghost civil servant. Also, the country also should work. I know that the president of Civil Service Commission is working on civil service reform, HR recruitment rule. This will help to have some saving on the wage bill. Same for the transfer and subsidies. Our advice is to look at each transfer and subsidies to see if they are really meeting objective. If not, the country should start redirecting them. One thing that the country can quickly do is to have a single social registry that will help to have all that will be used for all the subsidies and transfer program. With the single registry, you will not have duplication because we're having different registry now. People can benefit from different type of things, so we have a lot of duplication. So this is something that we are advising, and also maybe have some conditional transfer. Make sure that, if you give money to parent and say you need to keep your children to school, they will make sure that the children will keep to school because they know that they will get the transfer. So this is some of the things that we are advising. And the third is on public investment management. How to have better project selection. What are the projects that will help to improve people's life, will help to have more growth. And also project managing and even monitoring, and at the end, evaluation. And this will also help to have more efficient outcome for each money that the government is spending. So this is the three proposal that we are making to have better spending. And our advice is that the country should start now, not wait 10 years after. They should start doing little things now and continue to do it in the long term. So that is our advice. On the points on transparency, I think transparency is important, not only because the current president is talking of US is mentioning that. I think at the government level, they should also really look into transparency of funds that they are giving to people. Having clarity of the fund, transparency of that in the use, and this is important because you know that each fund that you are giving to SOE, you know how they use it, what is the outcome, and this helps you also to design your policy in the government. So transparency is something that's not only maybe the US president, now he's saying, okay, I will give money if you are transparent in the use, and so, but the country at country level, the government should do that. Say, if you are not transparent with the fund that I'm giving to you, next year I will not give it to you until I have more transparency on the use. For example, one thing that some countries are doing is to tell them the SOE to publish all the financial information, audited financial information, so they know what is happening, and that also help in terms of accountability and also transparency. So this is something that is important. And in general, the decisions that are taken in terms of impacts on Timor-Leste, you know that ESID closed, so that means that some of the NGO will not get money. They have also to some of the people will lose the job. So that will impact the country. But I think transparency should be general, really a rule that the government is using to allocate its money.
Banco Mundial sira ni relator dan sira propõe buat tool importante atu governo federal. Primeiro matida receita atu apelatan estendatan receita não minerais. Idane primeiro também idane bele azuleita atu sai tania receita domestika da receita trailaran ini. Posisi politika VAT balon na remak dada nene importante lah limber mas molo kita halo politica VAT dan ita precisamos atu halo análise balum liliu o insa para politica VAT sirene bele po benefício ba sirene be vulnerável sirene be maka ia hetang impacto maka asli pois ia segundo ne be maka Banco Mundial propõe maka tax incentive incentivo para tax ini o imposto ini nene penting lah importante terus kamba governo tem que decidir se receita ainda na ton kala imposto na ton kala seni na ton kita bele integrar mais lá mas seni la consegue pagar então ia dalam balung kita bele hasai dia kita remove dia imposto dan ou bele reduz ida tan maka mais importante liu essa base logo subsidiária mas com isso Timor Leste bele gasta o dia gasta o cuidado gasta o dia levar o eficiente tem que nós tem que halo semacam assessment avaliação balum sada proposta siempre se não vencimento salário daniano né então tem que halo avaliação balum também tare balum lá mais serviço mas é salário é osam kerpula nessa funcionário siluman né ia ghost civil servants saya acontece também tem que harap dia ba sada proposta salarial da mai mai né governo tem que harap dia que né bela halo reforma balum mos. Pois em termos de transferência que subsídio balão transferência público menino durante a lava esquema de proteção social durante a lava bom sustentar subsídio balão né tem cuidado lá lima também se responde do nebania positivo e lolos itu bela continua mapat mas se ladung relevante ladung responde itu bela dia resifila fale ba ida nebe maka precisa nih por exemplo, se fizermos ia possibilidade satu ia single social registry ia registro social ida memang único ida de para itu labela sada ulu moras harebai registro social ida naba pensama ida naba sudah confundir lá ida tan maka konava PIM que gestão investimento público nih, nah importante mos. Também kita kuliah com projeto sirene gestão essa ne manutenção sirene lá seneve, né precisa ter satu iha lei da PIM né forte até bela duro processo ida né. Buat sirene memang sira suzera iha né iha sirene relação né completo iha né bana né. Governo lá bele itu tinggal 5 mahal. Mau tinasa dulu mai pag pingala. Oi, começa a ona bo ikuan tem que começar bo apel rei to tinan rua tinan tolo ay may foi bo tem que rua terus pergunta ele quando va transparência nian o apoio si US nian tu ada statement Trump nian jadi kita lali ke preocupa o statement declaração si Trump nian importante maka o isa governo lokal ita ia nasional dan ita prepare nian atau dulu nih transparansi tem que mais ita duni kata que uma for apoio mas ita la relato do dia que la transparência automaticamente ao bairro de la fona então tem que mais o governo nacional tem que local ini além de danemos sira suzeri kata ia nação sira selu balon né sira exige US exige para ser sempre forçai publicação balon em termos de ser informação financeira mas tem que ler o audit ler o termo financeiro tem que forçai publicação informação financeira ini los única kata impacto balon tambah kita até informação kata USAID ia fatin setaka então ini impacto nak baik da ema asa ONG sira balong nebe durante neheta apoio si USAID automaticamente tem que parar melakukan serviço buat sira nehoto mas kita tem que haru si kikuan tem que haru governo lokal tem que haru to Sansir na level rei itu tidak 5 tidak selalu
Menghira jornalista recambia halau confirmação ligada a statement do presidente dos Estados Unidos da América, Donald Trump, se para a donação que fundo apoio da nação nebela transparência mal gasto na corrupção. Banco Mundial hatatan ida nehare fala iba governo local, ou em sa preparaan o nebela transparência no halo publicação coraba financeiro. Di husi suruh mutu badek Banco Mundial hakarak fuhano imba governo kata governo labele heinti nang 5 makfoin hadia sistema sira nebe makfailya no bele fo impacto ba stabilidade Timor-Leste no futuro. Mas beteng que hahu halo husi agora atunune bele salva nação nia vida e a futuro. Equipa recambia hato reportagem. Nemak notícia bem lorong kamu tuh aqui para cambiar lalu atau obrigado e até a próxima edição. Atau reta informação factuais ou solução, reta haluha atau inscreve, menghaniran botão notificação, ou libere por comentário no botão da mídia social seu.